In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning 3D documentary using the Sora 2 platform. If you've ever dreamed of producing captivating documentaries that captivate audiences with breathtaking visuals and immersive storytelling, you're in the right place. Whether it's exploring the wonders of nature, diving into the depths of history, or wandering through the expanses of space, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. Firstly, let's talk about the importance of planning your topic. This is where you decide what story you want your documentary to tell. Whether your interest lies in the enchanting mysteries of the cosmos, the intricate layers of history, or the awe-inspiring beauty of nature, picking a compelling subject is crucial. A well-chosen topic not only fuels your passion, but also captivates your audience, setting the stage for an engaging documentary journey. Once you've settled on your topic, we move to the exciting part, crafting the 3D visuals. Here's a handy prompt for a dynamic visual that can be used to enhance your documentary. Imagine a 3D cinematic video of Earth from space with realistic lighting and smooth camera motion, all in stunning far 4K. This directive will guide you in creating a visually appealing representation that not only looks incredible, but also feels lifelike and engaging for your viewers. Now, to further enrich the storytelling, it's essential to add narration scenes. Picture a 3D scientist explaining in a lab with soft lighting and a captivating depth of field. This scene can add a personal and informative touch, giving your documentary that additional layer of credibility and relatability through a clear narrative voice. Of course, no documentary is complete without the perfect blend of voice and music. For this, you'll want to record your narration, ensuring your script is articulate and engaging. Pair this with a calm and fitting background sound to enhance the mood, pulling your viewers further into the world you're crafting. It's the combination of these elements that elevates the audiovisual experience, making it truly immersive. Once you've assembled all the elements, from visuals and narration to music, it's time to export your documentary. Make sure to do so in 4K resolution. This not only provides a professional and polished look, but ensures that your documentary is future-proof, meeting modern viewing standards. Finally, the moment of creation arrives. With everything set up, simply click Generate to bring your documentary to life. Watch as your vision transitions from a concept to a masterpiece, ready to be shared with the world. By following these steps, you'll produce a 3D documentary that tells compelling stories through powerful imagery and insightful narrative. Happy creating?